Meet the MiniEV pickup from LCS EMON. Compact, electric, and proudly gawang Batangas. Perfect sa mga small businesses, pang-deliver, pang-supply run, or kahit mobile store. Eco-friendly, low maintenance at swak na swak sa city at rural roads. Tahimik, matibay at ready for the daily hustle. Through the price, it's still to be announced, but it's ready unit for reservations. And we have lots of incoming inquiries just from my last post. That means world-class quality pero para talaga sa negosyong Pinoy. For updates and reservations, message me or Electric Vehicles Philippines today. MiniEV pickup by LCS EMON. Electric, practical at gawa ng Pilipino para sa Pilipino.